Hi, so glad you are joining us. I am Dr. Renee S. Anderson, a collections manager at the Smithsonian's National Museum of African American History and Culture. I want to share with you how to document your treasures and keep your memories alive. We will follow the premise of Ready, Set, Go. You may write or record the information for your treasures. Let's get started. In order to get ready, plan your activity. Set aside a block of time for setup, work, and please take a moment to clean up. Decide on a safe storage place. Read and research in advance. Get set. Clean your work area. Use good lighting. Set out necessary tools and materials. If possible, try to limit the distractions. I want to share with you a few things I avoid to protect my treasures. I have brought a few examples to share. Perfumes, colognes, interfering jewelry, including scarves, bracelets, and watches, lotion and creams, things that have fragrance. Also, avoid snacks to keep your treasures clean. Please be very careful with makeup because it can be transferred to your treasure. No food, soda, pens, pets, and no uninvited visitors. You are ready to go. Take your time, don't rush. Look your treasure over carefully and thoroughly. Note any changes or new damage. Be sure to take photos. Enjoy the experience of preserving your history. Always record who, what, when, where, and how, plus any notes or memories. Time. Stop when you become a little tired. It will take time to put your treasure away and restore the area. For your records and notes, be sure to include who you are, your location, and the date and time. What? Describe your treasure. When was the treasure acquired? Where did the treasure come from? How did you get the treasure? To clarify, notes are any additional information and details you can provide pertaining to the treasure. I can share a sample treasure report. I can share what I would record on my form. Who? Renee Susan Anderson, née Jackson. Keeper, owner. Anywhere, big state, USA. Date 9/15/2022. What? 1960s embroidered handkerchief. White with red and pink embroidered flowers. 8 inches by 8 inches. When? From Rohr's 5 and Dime, Manassas, Virginia, circa 1968. Where? My maternal grandmother, Mama, Molly Elizabeth Newman, née Baylor, maternal grandmother. Mother to Mama Edie, Edith Mickey May Jackson Friday, née Newman. My mother. How? Mama gave it to me in 1996. Notes, the gravy, which my family called the best part of the meal. Mama had a small chest made by one of my uncles in class while in high school. Mama kept her handkerchiefs in that top drawer. There was a small shelf at the bottom of the chest. The chest was in their bedroom next to a chair that Daddy, William Thomas Newman, sat in every day to put on his socks and shoes. Uncles attended Jenny Dean School, colored school in Manassas, Virginia, Prince William County. Not sure which uncle may be blood or foster. They fostered over 20 children from Fairfax and Arlington counties. Based on the notes I recorded, triggers will remind me to ask additional questions and conduct additional research. How many handkerchiefs were in the drawer? Do I have them all? Where is the chest? What about the chair that Daddy used? Why were they called Mama and Daddy? Plus. Finally, the goal is to map out the cherished memories, thoughts, and family history associated with the treasure. Reestablish the links that brought the treasure from the past up to today. Write it down so that someone special can appreciate those links and that treasure, even if that special someone is not yet born. What would you write or record? Before I wrap things up, here are a few tips to help you prepare for your virtual treasures reviewer meeting. You must use a camera-enabled device. You must be in a well-lit room so our reviewers can see your treasure. They won't be able to review and provide feedback on your treasure without proper lighting. Speak in a loud, clear voice so our reviewers can hear everything you are saying clearly. Finally, make sure there is no other background noise playing. Turn off any televisions or radios that are nearby. Close any windows. I sincerely hope this presentation was helpful to you. Please feel free to share this information widely with anyone who might be interested in recording their treasures. Again, I am Dr. Renee S. Anderson, a collections manager at the Smithsonian's National Museum of African American History and Culture. Thanks for joining our Virtual Treasures program, which we hope will be one of many to come.